Some mine workers at Modder East Mine in the East Rand have expressed concern about the alleged ill treatment they have endured from the company. They claim they do not get risk allowance like other mine workers and that NOM has failed to address the matter. They are calling on AMCU to come on board as they believe the union best represents the interests of mine workers. Newzroom Afrika's Zola Sholwana is standing by to speak to one of the mine workers for more on this. Zola Sholwana, what are you hearing?
Well, Didi, we've been here since morning and we managed to get a word from a number of workers who are gathered out here. Some of them were meant to be on shift today, but obviously, access is quite restricted here for security reasons. And really what most of these workers are saying is that they want AMCU, or rather the company, which is Gold One, to give AMCU a chance because they believe that NUM is not representing their interests as workers. But to tell us more, I am joined by one of the workers. Abuti, thank you very much for your time. I mean, two of your family members, they are stuck in there, and you even tried to bring them food, and you said they didn't allow you guys. How do you feel?
Mate, it's so bad. It's so bad because no, my family members are there. So no, renava service compensate contributed to management and NUM now they're blocking us for what we don't know. Even no works, they never talk about change, modificating or about credit issue. We never about staff and chili which is that thing I never yet arrived. We never about punish actually or never credit issue. So I think maybe that strategy.
So AMCU ere Batubale are not held hostage. NUM ere they are held hostage. When as a worker, what are you saying? Because those are your colleagues.
I start on a child in hostage. Nchweke babereki bona ba kopane banka decision ka bo bona. Or ne better solution, we have to strike. But the state cattle right. We are going underground, we're gonna stay there up until our demands are met. I want to in hostage. But some from Sunday or never going to do this thing. And after what you can let us you can see how much people are NUM. We don't know.
You also mentioned things that you're not happy about as Moto Osebenza Monamo mining area. You've been working here for over 10 years.
Yeah, I've been working since from 2011. Mogol don't let my nepotism, favorism, it's a copy. When if I want to go and go to office or top management, you are nothing. So if mobile are something like promotion, something either overspy management or overspy NUM. So in a bit of 10 years, same position. Being the idea. Motivate like today. Because I will say we think 3 months are promoting. And again, I'm going to say it. If it's 7 next, I'm going to say it sharp. Tomorrow, say my supervise. And John, we don't know.
You also mentioned the fact that you haven't been getting increase. You also haven't been getting allowance or risk that most mine workers are supposed to be subjected to.
You can let my sister service underground. Underground is a very, very risky place. Other mines want risk allowance. Ronar be told. Like another Marian, my son, like they do us a favor, God for the allowance. Like no, living out allowance yard. It's over 175, 1.5. Mid allowance is 175 for the whole month. King the idea. From what I'm coaching, but then just think the Victoria chai mahe. My saga on I'm coaching. Surface, one of the coffee, one of my VC, but they're living the life. From what underground, about to serious sexual. And I cannot run separate production or mine of an orana. Let no remitena. There's nothing they can do. The production. Without us, there is no Gold One.
Thank you so much, Abudi. Juju, that was one of the workers. He mentioned that 2 of his family members are stuck down and hearing allegations or claims that, the workers that are stuck inside there, were actually, held hostage according to what the NUM said earlier on. He's saying that this was all planned. And I mean, when we spoke to most of the workers that are seated here, they're saying that it was something that they planned a night before it actually happened. They're basically raising their concerns and also challenges that they are facing in this particular mine under, the union, which is the NUM at this point, and they are demanding that AMCU steps up and becomes part, or rather the company allows AMCU to represent them. Back to you in studio.
Zola Shalwana, thank you very much for that update.